Students, already we saw the revisions. Now we go moving on to the revision part 3. State whether true or false. Now look at the first one. If we subtracted a 0 from the number itself. Now look at the example. Here we can take a number 15 minus subtracted 0 means 0 is equal to, we can subtract it from any number to 0. The answer we get number itself. So answer is 15. So the statement is true because we can subtract it from a 0. Then answer we get the number itself, isn't it? Yes. So true. T-R-U-E, true. Second one, look at the place value. Numbers denote the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 3 lakh 29,657 is the successor of 3,29,659. Successor mean after number. So 57 after number 58. 58 will be correct. Here 59 will be there. So that is a false. F-A-L-S-E, false. The third one, 24 into 100 is equal to 24,000. No, 24 into 100 is equal to 2,400. Only 20 will comes to answer. Here 30 will comes. So the statement is false. Then fourth one, 66,391 divided 66,391 is equal to, we can divide it by both numbers are same means we get the answer is 1. Here comes to number itself. So the statement is false. Can divide it by both numbers means divided the answer, yes, we get the quotient is 1. Here comes to number itself. So the statement is false. Now look at the fifth one. The underlined digit shown here it at the tens place. Here look at the 1 is the underlined number. 1 is the underlined number. So 6,54,178. So 1 is look at denote the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 1 is which place? 100 place. Here 1 underline which digit? Yes, 1. So it is 1 is a tens place? No, 100 place. So the statement is false. If we subtracted a 0 from a number, the number itself, yes, true. 3,29,657 is a successor of 3,29,659. No, the false. The statement is false because here 58 comes. 24 into 100 is equal to 2,400. Here 24,000 will be here. So the statement is false. 66,391 divided 66,391 is equal to, we get the answer 1. Here number itself. So statement is false. The underline the digit. So here it's at the tens place. Look at the digit. 1 is the underline. 1 is the 100 place. Here tens place will be there. So the statement is false. The sixth one, on dividing 18,060 by 1000, we get 18 as a quotient and 16 is the remainder. We can number of divider, when we divided by the 1000 means the number formed by the last 3 digit. Last 3 digit of dividends is from the right hand side, this comes to a remainder, isn't it? So last 3 digits comes to remainder. So 60 is the remainder. Remaining digit is comes to quotient. Yes. So 18 is quotient, 60 last 3 digit which comes to remainder. So the statement is true. Seventh one, the parallelogram has 4 sides. This is a parallelogram. Now look at the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 sides, isn't it? So the parallelogram has 4 sides. True. Yeah, sphere has no vertex and no edges. Look at the picture. That is a sphere. It is only a one face will be there. No vertex and edges. Edges so vertex so sphere la kadayadu, isn't it? So the statement is true. Ninth one, 5,439 plus 0 is equal to 0. Here adding a 0, a number gives the number itself as the answer. So here adding a 0 means comes to we get the answer, yes, number itself. here comes 0. So the statement is false. 10th one, the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in ones place are called the odd number. Yes, true. Because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it comes to even numbers. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 means comes to odd numbers, isn't it? Yes, the statement is true. Once again, on dividing 18,060 by 1000, we get 18 is a quotient and 60 is a remainder. Yes, true, because last 3 digits comes to remainder, because 1000 means last 3 digit comes to remainder, remaining place quotient. The parallelogram has 4 sides. So true. A sphere has no vertex and no edges. So true. 5439 plus 0 is equal to 0. No, false. Plus adding we get the 0 means and we get the answer. Yes, number itself. So the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in ones place are called the odd number. Yes, true. Dear children, just take your note and pencil. Write true or false in one time in your maths note. Thank you, children.